Neuropathy is nerve damage that can cause symptoms such as tingling, numbness, and weakness. Doctors and researchers have long held the connection between neuropathy and diet, and that is, a healthy diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, phytonutrients, vitamin B12, and lipoic acid can slow down or even prevent the progression of neuropathy. Neuropathy is often associated with diabetes, but it can also be due to infections, metabolic conditions, and exposure to toxins. Like every cell, tissue, and organ of our body, our nervous system also requires adequate nourishment for optimum functioning. A plant-based diet offers abundant opportunities for healthier nerves and less pain. What's also great is how simple yet amazing it is to prepare such plant-based foods at home. Eating more of these 7 plant-based foods benefit your general health and can ease your nerve discomfort throughout the year. In today's video, let's discuss the main reasons plant-based foods should be part of your daily diet. So, let's get started. Leafy green veggies. All leafy greens have a lot of vitamins that come from nature, but kale, spinach, and chard are known for having more vitamins than most other foods. These vegetables are loaded with A, K, E, C, beta-carotene, folate, and B vitamins, which are helpful in nerve transmission. Green leafy vegetables are a natural way to get minerals like copper, magnesium, folate, and calcium into your diet. Copper is essential for the production of neurotransmitters. It also helps prevent spinal cord degeneration and progressive failure of nerve function. Magnesium helps carry oxygen to the nerves and muscles and calms the nervous cells. Green leafy vegetables are also rich in dietary fibers that make you full when you eat them, helping you lose weight. Fresh fruits. You should at least consume 1 fruit daily to help your nerves recover from potential damage. Fruits like cherries, melon, oranges, and red grapes are rich in antioxidants that assist in minimizing inflammation and nerve damage. In addition, red, blue, and purple berries contain a compound called anthocyanins that can cross the blood-brain barrier to protect the brain cells from aging and diseases such as cancer. Berries increase the blood flow to key brain areas and improve memory and attention required to complete tasks. Apples are another source of vitamins and antioxidants. A reason to bite an apple every day is to keep your mental juices flowing. Apple is the major source of quercetins that helps safeguard your brain cells from free radical damage, resulting in cognitive degeneration. Zucchini. A type of summer squash, zucchini is actually a fruit. It has an impressive nutritional profile with high levels of antioxidants, B vitamins, potassium, and dietary fibers, all of which have significant health benefits for the nerve cells. 1 cup of zucchini contains about 25% of recommended daily intake of vitamin C. This water-soluble vitamin protects the brain against age-related decline. As an antioxidant, vitamin C protects the body against the oxidative stress caused by free radicals. In addition, it is a good source of magnesium, which calms the nerves, and potassium, which promotes effective nerve transmission. Sweet potatoes. Purple sweet potatoes contain a natural pigment called anthocyanin, which possesses strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and neuroprotective properties. Sweet potatoes contain an abundance of vitamin A and C, which protect cells against free radicals. Recent studies on animals demonstrated that consuming purple sweet potato extract can reduce the inflammation of the nerve and brain tissues. Quinoa. Quinoa is commonly mistaken to be a grain, but it is a blooming plant with edible seeds. Quinoa is a rich source of potassium, which aids in the effective conduction of messages through the nerves. Folate, phosphorus, manganese, and magnesium are also abundant in quinoa. It contains more total nutrients than wheat, rice, and other cereals. This superfood also contains fiber, iron, copper, protein, and vitamin B6 to maintain a balanced human diet. Avocados. Avocados are rich in both folate and vitamin K, which improve cognitive function, especially when it comes to memory and concentration. They are also rich in vitamin C and vitamin B, which help regenerate nerve endings and repair damaged nerves. This food also reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Beets. Beets help get rid of toxins from your blood and reduce inflammation. Roots vegetables contain natural nitrates that boost blood flow to the brain and help with cognitive abilities. Eating beets before a workout can also increase performance levels and energy. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button.